Renault just dropped a sneak peek of the 2026 Captur, and it looks nothing like its predecessor. This could be the compact SUV that finally shakes up the segment. So, let's dive into what makes this new Captur stand out, and why you might want to start paying attention. The new Captur borrows bold styling cues from Renault's flagship, the Austral, but turns up the drama way higher on the front end. You'll see a sharper, more aggressive grille, flowing into sleek Nouvelle R lighting, and a striking lower bumper that demands a second look. Down the sides, crisp shoulder lines, and a redefined rear quarter design give it a sporty, confident stance that feels both modern and dynamic. And at the back, a fresh diffuser plus transparent taillight housings add a cool, high-tech vibe that feels lifted straight out of the future. Under the hood, Renault gives you choices, from mild hybrids to full hybrids, all packed with solid performance. The entry-level model, it sticks with the trusted 1.0 TCE 90, a 3-cylinder mild hybrid. You get 90 horsepower and fuel efficiency around 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Not bad, but step up to the E-Tech 145 full hybrid. And now you're looking at Renault's signature series parallel setup, a 94 HP petrol engine, 2 electric motors, and a total output of 205 of torque, with emissions as low as 105 grams per kilo. That's impressive. But the real showstopper? An all-new 160 HP E-Tech hybrid, with a 1.8-liter engine, bigger battery, and stronger electric motors. It sprints to 100 km/h in under 9 seconds, cuts CO2 emissions down to just 98 grams per kilometer, and even boosts towing capacity to a full ton. Inside the cabin, it's a whole new world. Renault went sustainable, smart, and stylish. A 10.2-inch digital driver's display replaces the old-school gauges, and right in the center stack, a vertically mounted 9.3-inch touchscreen running OpenR-Link OS. You'll get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. So no more dealer trips just for software tweaks. Even the materials tell a story. No leather, no chrome, just fully recyclable fabrics and plastics that have been reimagined from waste into beauty. But don't think Renault forgot about space or comfort. The rear seats? They slide back a full 150 millimeters to give passengers more legroom, or fold flat to expand cargo capacity up to 520 liters. There's an adjustable boot floor for custom storage setups and sound-insulating glass that keeps the cabin peacefully quiet, even when the road gets rough. Then there's the tech: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and a full 360-degree camera system. That's the kind of safety toolkit you usually see on bigger vehicles. So, what's the catch? Pricing in the UK starts at about $22,195 for the TCE 90 manual and climbs to around $25,195 for the E-Tech 145 automatic. The high-spec 160 HP hybrid? It's expected to land near $27,500, and the upcoming plug-in hybrid model will likely push above the $30,000 mark. Sure, you're paying more for the hybrid tech, but you're also getting bold design, advanced features, and real performance. That backs it all up. But here's the real question. Can the 2026 Captur hold its own against a wave of fierce B-SUV rivals? It's up against big names and new electric challengers coming fast. Yet Renault's strategy is smart. Multiple electrified powertrains, a sustainably built interior, and daring design. That could be the winning formula. By early 2026, these next-gen Capturs will start rolling out from Valladolid and hitting the streets across Europe. And by 2027, a fully electric Captur is rumored, built on the CMF EV platform, sharing powertrains with Renault's R4 and R5 E-Tech EVs. In just a few years, this model line could span everything, from efficient mild hybrids to full EVs. So don't call it a facelift. This is a full rethink of what a compact SUV can be. Sharper design, stronger hybrid engines, recycled materials, and next-gen technology, all coming together to keep Renault's bestseller right at the top. If you're looking for a compact SUV with green credentials and head-turning style, the 2026 Captur absolutely deserves a spot on your test drive list.